Hey, what is up guys? Indy here, and today we are going to continue my good old friend, the class project. I just noticed I actually have my VPN on my phone. Okay. So, I don't know if the stream is up yet. I'm just gonna check right here real quickly. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted to do. My channel. Okay, so I am live. Everything is all good. I have my bird sitting on my leg. His name's Jellybean. He's a Quaker parrot. Hi, buddy. Hi. Alrighty. You can stay on my leg while I'm streaming. There you go. You want a neck rub? Oh, Jelly likes the neck rub. Alrighty. So, now that we have that out of the way, let us work on this now. I think I wanted to have like a little story here. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this for now. And we can add a new form. Okay. Hi, buddy. Okay, form. Got our Windows form there. Right here, instead of naming it Form 1, we want to rename it just to story. Story.vb. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. We are going to bring in a resource right here. Add existing file. We want to go to my desktop. Okay. We can just rename that. There we go. Perfect. So right here, I think let's try a 400 by 400 space. Okay, 600. Maybe 500, 500? 500, 400. We'll see. So, got that. And right here, hi. Okay, so right here, background image. We just imported our image, so we should be good here. And do we want to set it to stretch or tile? Stretch is fine. And I'm 99% sure we have our icon in resources. We do not. Okay. So we're going to go here, users, source, repos, should be in here. Yep, there we go. Alrighty. So we need to either bullshit a story or come up with a script. What do we got? Also, just in case anyone joins, I will be watching live chat. Okay. My bird is like trying to like eat my foot, I think. Oh well. Okay, so gotta get the text. I guess we can name it like this. Okay. Yeah, I'm guessing we can do that for now. Hey, no, 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 don't. No biting. Stop. Stop it. Okay. Anyway, let us continue. So, we want. Oh, okay, I can save this currently and close this. So, we have that. We need a label. Okay, now that we have that, we have the text and name. I'm just going to set it to the French equivalent of story, which is histoire. Our back color, transparent. For color, we want white. Hey, stop it. Okay. We want to set our font. I do think, Jelly, stop. I'm gonna go put you in your cage. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put the bird in his cage. He's being rude. Okay, if you do hear him yelling for me, that is normal, depending on uh depending on if I feel like being bitten again, I will go get him. Okay, so right here we can have regular 12. 12 may be a little big. Let's try 8. Okay. So depending on how big our little backstory is, that should be fine for now. Alrighty. So, now, we just do that, hit delete. Okay. I think I might want to put in a different song later. We can do that though. Okay. So we're going to plan for that. Right here we have right here we have the other project, but is a different yeah, so I have 2 projects. That's fine. Okay, this is written in Visual Basic. I might put this on my GitHub just in case anyone wants to try out the game whenever it's done. Okay. So it is currently the 11th. My dot audio. Oh wait, computer. My dot computer dot audio dot stop. There we go. Jelly, it's okay. Okay, now that we have that. Okay, so to deliver exposition and the events that led up to the present day. Okay, the player wakes up in the forest after being asleep for... We're gonna pull up Breath of the Wild just after being asleep for 100 years. And keep in mind, we can always go back later. So now we want to work on the text. And I can, in fact, do it like this. So, I'm sorry about his squeaking. Actually, I might put him on his perch. Okay, I'll be right back. No more yelling. Okay, so now I can see him, he can see me, he's on his perch, he should be good. Okay. So 100 years ago... Wait. Do I want to just bust out Google Translate? Because I don't really feel like dealing with this currently. Maybe. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna open another tab. English to French. Here we go. So, 100 years ago, you fought valiantly in the Great War. However, due to the enemy faction known as the what? The Dimension Raiders. Do I wanna put Dimension Raiders fought valiantly in the Great War, brought about by the worshippers of the Elder God. Tiamat. Okay. Tiamat was a dragon god and gifted their followers the powers of the dragons, making them truly worthy foes. Somehow the bird has made it to my leg. Quite interesting. No, stop. Hey, I'm just petting you. Don't bite me. No biting. None of that. Good boy. Okay. Making them truly powerful foes. Google Translate is not the best tool, and therefore I will be polishing up the text. I'm just doing this to go faster, because I can type faster in English than I can in French. Okay. Hey, stop it. Get some help. Okay, stop biting me, dude. Seriously, stop. I will put you on the floor. I'm putting you on the floor. There you go, you're on the floor. He's gonna try climbing up my leg, bringing up my leg. There we go. Now he can't get me. Now it's time to hope that he doesn't make noise. Okay, so... Okay. Unknowingly to you was a high-ranking member of this cult and stabbed you in the back when it mattered most, leaving you unconscious on the battlefield. For some reason, you gain consciousness 100 years later as you wake up in a cave. No memory of who you are, and no memory of what abilities you possess. There we go. So now we can put that in the text, and we are going to want to format that. Okay. It's quite a long text, I'm gonna be honest. Do that. Do that. There we go. just going to copy this and close that. Oh, Jesus. We need less text. Unless we do, like, auto-sizing off. Okay, auto-size off. We can't bring it down, that's the thing. We can't... God. Unless we make the actual form bigger. So if we do this 500 by 400, put the location at 0, 0. Oh. 0, 0. Okay, we'll do 550 by 450. See if that helps. Okay. Auto size true. And we're gonna find a way to fix this. Okay. I just want it to fit properly. Jelly, calm down. Okay. Can I can I cheat my way out of auto-sizing this thing? Or nope. Okay. Is this just not going to allow special characters? Apparently not. That's fine. Auto size again. Unless I use a different, unless I try a different font. We'll try a different font. Magic Medieval. Oh, wow. 14. 16? Okay, having a dark color is not the best right there. Okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the properties application. Startup form is the history thing, so we can just skip right to seeing what this looks like in an actual test environment. Okay. If I can format that a little differently, that'd be cool. I'm just gonna open a notepad. So we will open this, and open this, paste that right there, go here, take this, not that, this. Copy this, put that there, copy this. And change that to this. How does that fit? No. Because if we do auto size false and try this, yeah, that's just not going to work unless that's like full. Okay, we're going with the other one then. Not my favorite, but it gets it done. I'm definitely going to take some time to polish this up though afterwards. Oh, I forgot to copy the whole text. Silly me. Okay, there we go. Do that. Can I move that a little higher? That's a little too close for me. Wait. Okay, let's try 14 point then. Okay, we're working with 14 point. We can change the size of the form a little. We'll do 420, haha, funny number. And we'll go with 530. No, we're good with less. There we go, okay. I want to change the color. You can still not really see it. Okay, that might hurt the eyes just a little. Okay. Unless we find like a empty scroll picture. Yeah, we'll try that. Empty scroll template. Okay, the only thing I don't like about that is that there is solid white and there's the watermark. Okay. It does look like a PNG. Can I save it as PNG? It is a PNG. Beautiful. Okay, we'll try this. Project. Do I have the properties open? Yes, I do. Resources. Remove that resource. This design. Okay. Yeah, I just ignore that. Background image none. Okay, everything's fine there. We will import all files. Where did I put that? Oh, that's in the repos. I put it in my desktop. That's why. There we go. Should be right here. Back color, we'll put black. Okay, starting to look good. The text. Okay, tell you what, we're gonna try the other one again. Still no. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Gonna try to fix this up a bit. We're gonna see where this takes us. Okay. Gonna see how this looks. Okay. I love how one word messes with the formatting of everything. That's just how it is whenever you're programming. Okay. My foot is falling asleep. That's not fun. I hear Jellybean trying to fly. Okay. Let's try this way. Okay, we still need just a bit more. Move this here. Move this. Move this. Do this. Do this. And do this. Okay. So we're just going to keep formatting everything. This can get really boring. Okay, that looks good. Now we will try white or black. Okay. Looking good, looking good, looking good. We will. Yeah, so I definitely will. Okay, we are going to build the solution. Just make sure there's no errors. It says it succeeded. One succeeded, 0 failed, 1 up to date. Perfect. Okay, beautiful. Now to start getting other things in here. So right on load we have stop the audio. And right here, Windows default location, we want center screen. Okay, alright. Then we need... Do I want to implement a secret yet? Not sure. We can always do that after. Okay, we want a button. Unless we don't want a button. If I do the same thing I did before with the label. Okay, back color. Make it transparent. So that is the continue button. We will get our M42, why not? And it's just going to say continue right here. Okay. That looks fine to me. So we're going to want this. Okay, that is bringing you to character creation. And right here we want the history dot hide. Actually, we want this to close. Oh, just me dot close then. No. Okay, we want that to close, and then we want the character to be shown. And over here, we want history to be shown. Right here, we want history to close. I don't think I'm going to close it. I think I'm just going to hide it. So me.hide. Okay. That is good. And I'm going to do that. Nope, took a minute there. Okay. Want this to be the mouse hover. Mouse hover. And we want dot for color equals color dot Alice blue, I think is what we went with. And we can just copy this again. Place it right there. And this is mouse leave. Mouse leave. And right here we just want good old black. Okay. We should still have it brought to history right away. Okay. We do have it brought to history. We just hit okay, the continue works. Everything's good. Perfect. And we want it on close, so I can just do this right here. right here, we just do that. I can save these lines. Okay, so right here, if for some reasons one closes it here, we want that to close, and we want this to close. And right here we want those two to close, okay. So now whenever we start it, and I just hit continue, okay. That is an issue with that one though. So we will fix that whenever we get to that one. We start here. And just close it there. And our program stops. Beautiful. Okay. So now, I do believe we can work on character creation. Right here. So that's for the backstory. So we just do that. We can poach this and put it in ours. Jelly, are you okay? You're like right under me. Hi. I think he's sad that he's not with me. I can't go with you right now, I'm busy. Okay. Anyway, go back here, everything's good. Do I want to put a secret on this page, or... Actually, you know what? I will put a picture box. I will do that. The image is... I want it to be an icon. Can I put an icon in a picture box? That's my question. This here, go in here, go in here, down here. There should be not there. Where is it? If I just put all files, it's there. I can. Beautiful. Okay. And we want this to be called the sword, and we're going to go look at the size of the image. This JPEG I can get rid of. That is 32 by 32. That's fine. So we just set this to 3232. Put it right beside. Set the back color to transparent. The location, that is the X. We want the Y to go a bit lower. Oh wait, it's XY, so... Okay, and we want, say, maybe 315. Okay, we're gonna go up by 5 pixels. Okay, that seems pretty accurate right there. Okay, looking good. . Okay. I think we might want to import that as an actual resource. That's the thing. Okay, we're just gonna bring in the PNG. Going to set this to the actual. Why is it not there? That is okay. It should be there. I'm sorry, huh? Okay, we're just gonna import this again, put that there, everything's good. Okay. Yeah, that's there. I think something is just wonky in the actual thing. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna see the properties of this. Okay. Okay, everything's looking decent. Can save this. This is good. Everything is fine. So after we have that, we should be brought to character creation. This is where things start to get complicated. Okay. So I should be able to... Okay. I should be able to close this for now. If we need to, we can go back to it. This, okay, that's all fine and dandy. I think I might move my setup, just because I want to be a bit more comfortable. Yeah, I'll move my setup, so I will be back in a second. I'm just going to mute myself. Okay, my setup should be ready to go, and I am much more comfortable in this reclining chair. Okay, so we have this. Now we gotta work on this. Okay. So here we have the character creation screen. I'm just gonna move this over. There we go. Okay, perfect. We want to view the code. I don't know why it isn't letting me. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna write our little header here. après le 11 juin 2021, so the 11th of June. Our little remark, I will go into more detail with these later on. I'm just trying to make sure everything functions properly. Okay. Jellybean, no. Come here. Come here, bud. Come on. Come on. Come here. Get on my hand. Good boy. Okay, I'll put you right here. Good boy. Okay. So now that we have that loaded, we're going to do another my.computer.audio.stop. Stop trying to eat my computer, Jellybean. Stop it. Get some help. Okay. There you go. I have a blister on my hand because I burnt my finger and he's trying to bite it. Okay. So we're going to stop the music that is currently playing. Right here, we're just going to set a placeholder. Actually, for our history one, we're going to set a placeholder 2. There we go. Okay, we can close that. There we go. Okay. So, it is a placeholder, and everything seems fine now. Okay, so now we're going to want a background. We can either use the scroll image that we found, and stretch it. How's that gonna look? I suppose we might be able to fit this stuff. Okay. So first up, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the bird. He's eating stuff he shouldn't be. I'm gonna go take it away from him. Okay, I am back and good to go. So first up, we want our icon. We can put our icon, it's in here. Just over here, resources. There we go, perfect. Okay, now we are going to want to Okay, I think I want to start adding some things in here. So first up, graphics library. Public. Pub race underscore class as image. Do I want to do it like that? Okay, so H Templar as image, public, unless I try this a different way. Yeah, no, okay. I probably could, but not sure. Okay, so we want H. Okay, Templier Sorcier Clerc. Okay, so we have our Templar, Sorcerer, and yeah, because I will be using them as enemies, so it should be fine. As image, okay. So these are the 3 classes for humans. And actually, I am just going to open up the properties for this. I can close the properties for this currently. Add a resource, add existing file. Heading to my desktop, I have resources here. First up is human. I'm going to open that. Those are in English, but it should be fine. Okay, equals my dot resources dot htemplar. My dot resources dot sorcerer. And my dot resources dot cleric. Okay. Okay. And we can just copy this. We can do this, and right here we have E. No. And here I have E. And E again. Open up our library, add existing files. We're just going to add all of them, I think. Go add elf. Yeah, we're just going to add all of them right now. Then we're going to go add demon right here. Okay. We have all this. And we can start getting to work. So right here we just have our good old buddy E Templar, E Sorcerer, and here we just have E Cleric, and copy that again. Put demons. Right here we have that. Do that. Do this. And we just have this. And this. Oh, yeah. We have that. Okay. Perfect. And they do all have different sizes, so I might make it a stretch or either a stretch or a center, but I'm sure it will be fine. Okay. So currently we want a picture box. So we want that to be our image. We'll set that to 100, 100 actually. I'm gonna go check what what the sizes are. I'm just gonna use this for example. Properties, details, 213, 249. Get this one. 444367. Okay. We're going to try. Okay, if we do say 500 by 500, that might be a bit too big. We'll go with 200, 200. Yeah, okay. And right here, we just have back color. We'll put transparent. Our background image is what we're going to be using. We're going to go to our thing right here. Should be in our resources folder, so it'll be fine. Wait, it's in the class library right here. Okay. So we're going to set it to the Human Templar just at the start. And background image layout, center does nothing, stretch, and zoom. Okay, stretch looks more natural. Say we try cleric. And we're going to try the other cleric. And we'll try the Elf Templar. Okay, Elf Templar looks a little wonky. If we set it to tile, it looks fine. Okay, we'll do some testing and see. Yeah, we'll definitely do some testing. Okay. Actually, if I can set this to a tone just a little darker, that might look good. Khaki won't do that. No. Wait. Okay, I feel like... Okay, we'll find something. Okay, yeah, we'll figure something out. Can delete that. Okay, let's see. Double. Okay, we have all of this. Let's just set the background image to nothing currently. Can I do that? I can't type. Okay. Shorten taskbar. Start position. We'll go center screen again. Hi, Jewel. Dog was barking a little. Okay. Window state normal. Sizable. No, I want it to be fixed angle. Actually, I'll set that with the backstory too. I just want it to be fixed single. Do that. Okay, so we have that. We're going to get a label. Right here, we can do transparent. That is the forecolor. I don't want the forecolor to be transparent. I want that to be black, and I want the back color to be transparent. Okay. And we will set that right here. Right, we need to do that. On load, we want dot background image equals nothing. Am I able to do that? I feel like I can. Tell you what, I'll go to the properties, go to application, and switch the start form to the character creator. Then we can close that, and we'll see. So it should open to just blank. It is blank. Perfect. Okay. So we have that being blank currently. And we're gonna need a decent amount of labels here. Okay. We want our player name. Yes. Forecolor black, back color transparent. So we'll just do that. And we're going to set this to our good old pal M42. So your name, that's going to go into a text box. Okay, that looks good. We want this to have a tab index of 0. Can this have, I don't think this has, yeah, no, it doesn't have a tab index. This, I don't want to have a tab index either, so I can just kind of, 300. I don't think we're going to have 300. Okay, you tell you what, we're going to go with 999 elements. I don't think we're going to have 999 elements on the page. That actually might screw with something. I'm just going to go with 1000 so nothing messes with it. So here we have tab index 0. We're going to throw in another text box. We want another label. And this, okay, we're going to want to send this to the back. There we go. This is your gender. So we can switch the text here to that. I feel like we can just set these here. Okay, that looks good. This has a tab index of 1. That has a tab index of 1002. You can set this to, okay, we're going to set this to 1000. This is 999. This is 1001. And we can use this as other stuff we need to capture. We have our race, our gender, and our class. We need the name. So race is a byte. Class is a byte. Our stats are all bytes. We need a name. So we do that. And okay. Right here, player name as string. And we can do that. Perfect. Okay. So your name and your gender. Right here we have txt nom, txt genre. Okay, name and gender, already done. Perfect. Next we have race, class, and then the stats. I think we might throw a timer in there. Yeah, maybe. Okay. We need a class. Okay, we're gonna throw in. Don't want that, we'll just throw it there. Yeah, no, we want it to be a little higher. We're going to want, we're not going to want profession, that's a little too big of a word. Okay, we're going to go with métier. I don't have accents on my keyboard because it is in fact in English. However, that is fine. 323, we're going to go with 315. We do need a bit more, maybe 319. 319 seems fine. We can do a... Do I want to do a button? That's the thing. I don't know if I want to keep using buttons or labels. We'll use buttons here, though. Okay, we'll see how we can fit this. We're just going to copy that. This will say that. And we'll create one more copy. put it right in the middle. Make it go just a little higher. 335. That looks nice. Put this Nope, I'm stuck in the position that it was in before. That's fine. And right here, we just do cleric. Okay. So we can copy the same kind of thing. We have that. We have the command for that. And we have the command for that. Beautiful. Oh, my blister's leaking a bit. I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay. So background image. We could set something like this maybe. Set flat style to flat. Actually, wait, no, if we do flat style like that, we can make them transparent. Want it to be slightly bigger now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to set the flat style and then go from there. Flat style flat. For color, we'll set that to the control texture. Now back color transparent. And right here, we want flat style, flat. Set the back to transparent. So this we want on part of the others. This we want on part here. I don't want to view the code right now. We bring this to the front. That ruins it. Let's say bring them out. Put them here. And move this. There we go. Okay. And then we want our race. Do that. I don't know if we should probably like do it something like this. Yeah, why not? This I will shorten just as much as I can. I don't really like the layout here. Either we'll think of something or we'll leave it. I'm not sure. Because if we do it that way, that's fine. I do want it to be unless I just set it to regular. Okay. For the race, we are going to want our buttons. That is not a button. That's a button. Do this. Set it equal to that. We have human. We have an elf. Let's do something like this on top here. Yeah. Okay, and then we have a demon. So elf and demon might be on the bottom, depending on how much space demon's gonna take. So if we do it this way, no. We are going to want this here, and this here. Human just has to come on top like that. Okay. That works nicely. We can move this just a little bit up front. There we go. Oh, now they start at different spots. There we go. Okay, perfect. That's fine. So, right here, this is 0, 1. Will this have a tab index of 2? This to have a tab index of 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. Wait a minute. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, perfect. Everything good there. We're going to throw in a timer. And we want that to be a refresh timer. We'll set this to 10. And we're going to work on... Actually, you know what? No, we're not going to work on this currently. We can work on the timer last. Okay, so we have enabled false. I can tell you what, actually, we'll add the timer after just so we have a nicer UI to work with. We'll add the timer last. Okay, so we have name, gender, our class, and our race. Next thing we need. So we have name, gender, class, race. Now we need our stats. Okay. So coming back in with the labels right here. Actually, you know what? Okay, we're just going to delete this. We're going to copy this label. Right here, right at the top. Got a text. I can ignore it for now. Okay. Oh, race is off balance. There we go. Okay, so right here we have... What do we want to do first? Okay, we should probably have our stats. Okay. Do I want to incorporate the erase stuff? Yes, I do. Okay. So right here, in parentheses, we just have +0. Okay, and then set up our other one. This is Constitution. And then intelligence. Then we have wisdom. And here we have our good old charisma. Okay. And then we can just have them in a line there. Unless... Okay, unless we make variables for the actual stat increase, which I don't feel like is a good idea, because that might use more memory than we need. Or we could say if they're a certain race, then said stat increases by said amount. Okay, we can set the refreshes and stats in our timer to make it a little easier on ourselves. I think I know how I would do that. And then we also need... Okay, we're gonna put an about button right in the top corner. Okay. So we can work on that help button afterwards. We're going to want our health points, magic points, and our defense. Okay. So health points will be... Okay, you know what? I feel like we should probably get this done in the help button first. Just set the groundwork for what we're doing. Unless we set a whole other form. And we're just going to leave stats up to a random number generator. Okay. So we will set some RNG there. Okay. So we have our help. And yeah, so we're going to go with our we have our HP. So we have our health points. Zero plus 0. And here we have magic. And here we have defense. Okay. Yeah. Alrighty. So on a click, I think we are going to turn it into a whole other form. So add form, Windows form. Okay. So form 1. Okay. So whenever you do hit this, whenever you hit the help button, it is just, okay, right here. It's just this. So it is just a help thing. 400, 400. We can try working with that. Back color black, background image. We can use that. And we can hit it with the stretch. Okay. Okay. So can do this. Copy this here. I feel like it could just be a lot of buttons and a lot of message boxes. Instead of having to crowd up one thing, but then that might look messy and it's opening a ton of tabs. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do this and make a little label underneath. So here, PDV for point de vie, or life points. And I actually just noticed these need to have a space. Done. Done. And done. Okay. So each class is going to have their own life, magic, and defense. Oh, that's fine. I'm going to close this for now. And right here we have died show. Okay. So we have the character creation guide right there. We can set this to a smaller font. Go with this in bold. I think we would need it a bit bigger. Okay. So it is determined by your class and a number derived from your resilience. Okay. So more resilience means more life points. And here we just have EX PDV, so explanation for the point of V. Okay. Here we have our magic points. PDM, so we have PDM, and just going to copy this. We have LBLX PDM. So your magic and your intelligence. So more intelligence means more magic points. And then we have our defense points. So PDD for Point de Défense. Okay. Not what I wanted. Copy that, put that there. Put that here. LBLEX PDD. So your defense points are determined by your class and your agility. So, and the more agility you have, the more defense you have. There you go. So your life points are determined by your class and a number derived from your intelligence. Or no, resilience, intelligence, and agility there. And then we also have to say what they do. So I'm sure we can just copy this, slap it here. Okay, so we're just going to say physical force. Can I just, like, take them from here? Unless I, like, actually turn those ones into buttons. I don't want to, but I might. I think I might have to. So right here we just have alveolar force. Your agility. So that is your reaction. Your resilience is your resilience. Your intelligence. Will that fit? It will not fit. Okay. So your intelligence is that. And we have your wisdom or sagesse. And that is hunting in French. That's la chasse, but that's not what I want. So maybe scavenging in French. So ramassage. Will that fit? Not sure. Hopefully it does fit. Then here we just have your charisma. I haven't actually thought of what we can use for charisma unless you, like, for the amount of gold you get. Yeah, we'll go with the amount of gold. Okay, so that's just for that. Okay. I do feel like this is kind of crowded, though. Unless I made a different label with this stuff. Like I did this and then copied that and turned it into a different one. Or just change the actual, like, font to the medieval magic, make it bold and make it bigger. Yeah, okay. Magic medieval, bold, 12. And then we're going to change the names. So we have magic medieval, bold, and 12. And we're just going to do that for the rest of them. There we go. Okay. So right here, have our resilience. We have that. We have our wisdom and our charisma. Okay, so we save that. We're not going to put any code on this one. We can put this in the Windows default location. No, we'll just put the center screen. Okay, and then... Okay. Yeah, that's looking fine. I will open my history code. Instead of just opening that, I can click on that. Okay, that's the help right here. Continue. And then we have CCI'd. That is on form closed. So we do want that on our form closed. Okay. We don't want anything on this thing's formed closed because you're expecting them to close it. And then after character creation, we're going to send you to another one with like combat help and that. Okay. So we have that. And then this we can keep on. That is for the show. We want our titles code right here on form closed. We want CCI'd. There we go. So we have character creation help. And we close that too. So right there, close that. Leave that there. We have the 3 closes there. This, that is looking good. I don't think we need to add any code to this one, actually. However, we will just, like, put this right here. We are going to put our header, because it still does belong to the project. Just have this. Actually, no, we'll put a quit button just in case. Okay. My name. Put the date right here. Get a button. We want this. And flat style, set it to flat, 4 color, black, up here, back color, transparent. Have this. And right here. So have that, and we have me.hide. Okay, beautiful. So we have that done. Okay. That is looking good to me. I want to see how long I've been streaming, actually. It has been almost 2 hours. Wow. Okay. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break here. I do feel like I have done this enough for now, and we will get back into it next time, I guess. So yeah, I definitely need a break though. But yeah, alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. It's been fun. We're gonna continue getting this done sooner or later, and yeah, alright, so